Hello, my name's Paul. I lead the admissions team at City College, Southampton. I'm very pleased to be joining you for this assembly, albeit via this recording. So City College is located in the centre of Southampton, and we teach full-time courses and apprenticeships with a focus on either professional, technical or creative training with a focus on work or industry. So what we're asking you to think about as a student finishing school and moving on to college is the type of employment, type of work, or type of industry you want to work in the future, and what your progression is going to look like into that industry. So to give you some examples of recent students who've done that, James did level 2 marine engineering with us, and he was progressed into a marine apprenticeship. So he's still doing his qualifications as an apprentice, but he's working full-time with Protium Engineering. Dylan in the middle wanted to progress into employment after being at college, did level 3 media, film and TV with us. So level 3 course is the same qualification level as A-levels, but it's just a different type of qualification approach. And Dylan is now a social media creator with SO support. And Cash on the end did level 3 business, again, that level 3 course. And he progressed to a business management degree at University of Winchester. So he's now a university student, and there's no reason why you can't take a level 3 vocational course and progress to university in the same way as you would by doing A-levels. So if you have a look at the college website or pick up a prospectus at your school, you will see a wide variety of courses to choose from at the college. You'll see courses that you would probably expect to see at a college like City College, what I call the traditional vocational subjects, so things like construction, engineering, hairdressing, beauty therapy, hospitality and catering, that type of course, but also things where you have A-level options, but you can choose to do them with us as a vocational course, so focused on maybe a particular subject or industry that you would want to work in. So things like art and design, photography, IT, business, travel and tourism, health and social care. But lots of options there to choose from and have a look at. So why might you choose City College as the place to do this qualification? Well, first thing to say is we are the first choice college for hundreds of school leavers every year in the local area. So not just from Southampton, but also from the wider region as well. So lots of students travel to come to us from sort of other parts of Hampshire as well. If you come to the college, you will see a very modern campus with state-of-the-art facilities. So the college has been extensively rebuilt over the past 10 to 15 years. And a lot of money has been invested in up-to-date facilities so that you're working with industry standard kit, in a modern environment. The teachers who teach at City College are industry people, so they're industry expert teachers who've moved into teaching. So they're still qualified teachers, but it's not their first vocation because they're bringing that experience into the classroom with them. We have very good relationships with leading local employers and businesses. That's partly because of the apprenticeships we deliver, but also that feeds into the full-time courses as well, really giving that focus on on work and ultimately moving into employment. And there's excellent progression from the courses either to university, so taking those level 3 qualifications and moving on to uni, or into work because of the type of training and work that you do as part of your course. Just saying a bit about the teachers, just give you some examples of the backgrounds of some of the staff we have. Phil, who teaches on art and design and leads the photography courses. He was a photographer, that was his career. So he worked as a music photojournalist and was published in lots of magazines like NME, Kerrang, and did a lot of work overseas with sort of product photography for brands like Sony as well. Sarah leads the travel and tourism course, and that was her career before she was a teacher. So she worked overseas in hotel management and PR. Sue down the bottom teaches engineering on the practical side, and that's because she was, before she was a teacher, she was an aircraft engineer, so she worked in aircraft maintenance. And Simon, who's one of our chef lecturers, is a professional chef, so he ran a restaurant for many years, and he's got lots of experience in catering, event catering and fine dining as well. So the experience that they've had from their previous careers feeds into their teaching, and and what the experience that they're giving to their students as well. City College, so we're located in the heart, right in the heart of Southampton, right in the city centre. So very easy to travel to. If you have a transport link to Southampton, it's very easy to get to college by bus or train. And we're a short walk from West Quay and the main bus stops there. And we also have a marine skills centre over on the River Itchen as well for marine training. So as we say, if you come to the college, you're going to see, a very modern campus, lots of great facilities, studios, salons, workshops. We have a fantastic theatre for performing arts and production arts as well. And over on the River Itchen, there's the Marine Skills Centre. So it's one of the top regional centres in the country for marine training. Lots of local employers use us for their apprenticeships. So if you're interested in marine engineering or boat building, please come and visit and do have a look at the facilities over there. When you're enrolled at college, you're enrolled on a programme of study. So that includes your main qualification. So we're looking at a single subject that you would pick, whether that's carpentry, business, health and social care, childcare, and also possibly English and maths as part of your study programme as well. So although all of your GCSE subjects are very important, and we would encourage you to do as well as you can across all of them, we must emphasise that English and maths are particularly important. One, because your English and maths grades may affect the level of course that you're able to start with us at college. But also, if you do not pass your English and maths at school, so you don't get your 4 or above, you will be retaking them at college as well. Now, obviously, we'd rather use that time for you to concentrate on your main qualification or on work experience. So, if you can do as well as you possibly can with your English and maths, it will benefit you when you come to college in the future. And the other key part of a study program is work experience. So that could be, work experience at a firm, activities with a company, things like that. There's lots of opportunities within your study program to get that work experience under your belt. There's lots of support at college as well. If you've had support at school, we will get that information from your school and be able to look at putting things in place for you at college. But it might be, as well as learning support, it might be personal support. There's people who can talk to you about that as well. We have a futures service, so for progression either within the college or moving on to university, and apprenticeships as well, and also financial support. So if you need financial help with anything like travel, kit, uniform and equipment for your course, maybe trips or work experience activities, there is a bursary scheme you can apply for financial support as well. And of course, it's not just about being on your study program. There's lots of things going on at college as well, trips, visits. We have guest speakers, lots of industry events coming in. There's exhibitions and competitions you can participate in as part of your course, a great opportunity to show off your practical skills and the things you can do. And they look great on your CV. And student voice as well. So we encourage students to get involved with how the college is run, the activities that are happening, and students making important contributions to college life through that as well. So if you're applying for college, and we have an application deadline for the end of March, if you go on the website, you will see that, but we would strongly encourage you to get your applications in by Christmas at the latest. So if you can get them done in the autumn term, that would be great, and it will help you to guarantee your first choice of course on there. All students are asked to come in for an interview at the college, so we'll ask you to come in, and if you get an offer from your interview, we'll ask you to accept your place as well. So let us know that you're interested in taking that offer so that we can put you forward on the list of students to be enrolled following the application deadline. We have open events coming up, 2 open events in October, so do come and see us at the campus. We have Tuesday the 12th of October, Saturday the 16th. So do come and have a look around. It's very important that you visit colleges, try and get a feel for the place, see the facilities, and talk to the staff. And there is also the opportunity to come and do a taster session in the October half term as well. So if you're undecided between a couple of subjects, you can book a taster, come and experience what the course has to offer. And again, see the campus and meet the teachers through doing that. Lots of opportunity to get linked with us on social media. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. And of course, that'll keep you up to date with college news and what's happening. And of course, we will be in touch with you as an applicant as well. So thank you very much for your time today, and hopefully we will see you at an event at the college in October. Thank you.